Hello traders, today is 17th of August 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market euro pound. Pretty straightforward based on the 4 hour chart. We've been short since the market broke on the structure. Even yesterday, as explained my trader, if the market is going to break, pull back short trade. We've been short trade here. Even this morning, as explained my trader, look for this pullback. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That's what exactly the matters. You can see here yesterday this is the yesterday analysis at the New York session. Beautiful short trade here. Then we have another beautiful pullback short bank, amazing profit. So this is the analysis this morning. Even I said to my traders, as long as the market keep developing a pullback, momentum is bearish, just keep enjoying pullback short here. So you can see here the market nicely develop another beautiful pullback, still holding short on euro pound. So now, as explained my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. But we manage a very decent profit as we look at it based on the previous analysis. So if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, you're most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day and stay blessed.